Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to use iMessage on iPhone. First off, iMessage only works if both you and the person you're messaging have an iPhone. So, next, to turn it on, go to Settings. Here, type in the search iMessage. And as you can see, mine is already turned on. You'll need to turn yours on too. Then select your phone number, or you can use your Apple account instead. Here you can choose which apps will use it. Alright, that's basically it. Now you can just open the Messages app and chat with people through iMessage. This has been Catch You Later.